Bakit may boss na naninigaw? Oh, meron talaga na mga boss na naninigaw. Yung pagsigaw kasi, minsan, may pilosopo dyan eh. Hindi ako sumigaw, nagtaas lang ako ng boses or I'm stressing a point. Kasi there are many ways na sumigaw ka. But shouting is one approach to gain attention and to command. So, shouting is a tool to lead, whether you accept that or not. So, sa mga advanced leadership programs ko, I teach that. Now, let's take a look at shouting from the point of view of a boss who is also a human. Lahat naman ng tao, diba, napapasigaw. So many reasons why we shout. In fact, tinanim ng Diyos sa atin yan na sumigaw tayo. Now, let's take a look at the bosses. Bakit sumisigaw yung boss?